Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about how to explain a picture. So let's do without wasting any time. The first boy is unloading a truck. He is outside, working hard in the sun. His job is to move boxes from the truck to the ground. The boxes may be heavy, and he uses his strength to lift them. He is wearing simple clothes like a t-shirt and jeans, which are comfortable for his work. His face looks focused, and he might be a little tired from all the work. He is determined to finish his job. There may be other workers around, but he is concentrating on what he is doing. This boy is dedicated to his task and is trying his best to get the job done quickly. The second boy is inside a restaurant. He is sitting at a nice table, enjoying a beautiful meal. The food in front of him looks delicious, like something from a special restaurant. He is relaxed, sitting comfortably in his chair. His clothes are clean and stylish, making him look smart. He holds a fork and takes small bites, savoring every piece of the meal. The restaurant around him is elegant, with nice decorations. He is enjoying his time, eating at his own pace with no worries or stress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.